Avery Jameson allegedly expressed support for jihadists on social media before planning a suicide attack in San Francisco. Facebook. Dean James 3% America's freedom fighters in Northern California tow truck drive VHS. Been arrested this weekend accused of planning an ISIS-inspired Christmas Day suicide attack on Fisherman's Wharf in San Francisco, according to authorities. Avery Taron Jameson attended Marine Basic Training in or about June 2009 and graduated several months later. Jameson trained a sharpshooter, but was later discharged for failing to disclose a history of asthma, Fox News report. Jameson, 26, face one count of attempting to provide material support to a foreign terrorist organization. In a statement, acting San Francisco Mayor London Breed credited the diligent effort of the FBI and local law enforcement agencies for thwarting the planned attack and announced that the San Francisco Police Department would have increased the presence throughout the city. San Francisco is a city that proudly champions democracy, freedom and liberty, Breed said. Sadly, that makes Roma target. We will not allow the thwarted attack of one dangerous individual to disrupt our way of life. We will remain vigilant and continue to protect our city from any threat, spoke a woman for the FBI San Francisco field office said in a statement that there was no specific and credible threat to the Bay Area at this time, and the public was never in imminent danger. In an page affidavit filed in federal court in Fresno Friday, FBI Special Agent Christopher McKinney alleged that Jameson espoused radical jihadi beliefs on social media. According to the agent, Jameson liked and loved ISIS-related social media posts, including one that threatened a Christmas attack in New York City. Jameson also allegedly expressed support for Saiful Yosepov, an Uzbek immigrant who drove a rented truck down a Lower Manhattan bike pass on Halloween, killing 8 people and injuring 11 others. I'm glad to know we Muslims are finally hitting back, Jameson wrote to an FBI informant was communicating with the kuffar deserve everything and more for the S they have taken, added, using an Arabic term meaning non-believer. Earlier this month, McKinney said an undercover FBI agent began communicating with Jameson and questioned how he might be able to help ISIS. Jameson allegedly responded, he was a soldier in the Kuffar army before he reverted. I have been trained in combat and things of war. God willing, anything of that nature. On December 16, McKinney claimed Jameson met with a second undercover FBI agent and expressed that he was willing to do anything for the cause, including traveling to fight with ISIS in Syria. At the same meeting, Jameson allegedly suggested a bomb and gun attack on Pier 39, a popular tourist area on the San Francisco waterfront. Jameson added that he did not have and did not need an escape plan because he was ready to. McKinney wrote in his affidavit. On Wednesday, FBI agents searched Jameson's home in Modesto and recovered fireworks, two rifle and a 9mm handgun, along with multiple magazines. When interviewed by FBI agent, Jameson stated his support of ISIS and terrorism, and said that he would be happy if an attack was carried out. This scumbag needs to be shipped off to an ISIS camp and they will see what it's really like. VERDICTGUILTY. Sentence death by firing squad, filthy Muslim trash, together we will make America great again. Dean James 3% America's freedom fighters. Follow us on Facebook at Nation in Distress. Please like and share on Facebook and Twitter. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, subscribe to our newsletter.